Welcome to another Happy English podcast coming to you from New York City. And here's your English teacher, Michael.
All right. Thank you, John, and thanks, everyone. This is Happy English Podcast, episode 462. Have got and have gotten. We use have got when we talk about possessing something, owning something, or personal relationships. In conversational American English, we generally use the contracted form of have or has. For example, I have got a car is usually spoken as I've got a car. She has got a car is usually spoken as she's got a car. I think Americans rarely use phrases like I have got or she has got in spoken English without the contracted forms. When we talk about possessing something, owning something, or personal relationships, have got has the same meaning and usage as have. I have a cat and I've got a cat have the same meaning. Here are some more examples. Jane told me she's got an extra table that we can use for the party. You can't ask Jenny for a date. She's got a boyfriend. This company's got a very strict attendance and vacation policy. On the other hand, we use have gotten when we talk about becoming something, obtaining something, and other ways to talk about the process of becoming, moving, or changing. For example, I saw Jim's kids over the weekend. They've gotten so big since the last time I saw them. Jack's gotten a lot more customers since he started using Instagram for his business. I've noticed that since I've gotten older, my taste in music has changed. Going back to the idea of possession, in American English, we don't use have gotten to show possession. The sentence, Jack has gotten a promotion at work, means Jack has recently obtained a promotion at work. If you have a pen in your hand, you can say, I have a pen, or I've got a pen, but not I've gotten a pen, unless, of course, you just received the pen. We also use have got to, followed by a verb, to show necessity. For example, you've got to have a passport if you want to travel overseas. We've got to take the 3:00 train in order to arrive on time for the musical. I've got to work on Sunday, so I can't go to the party. We use have gotten to, followed by a verb, to show that someone has obtained the opportunity to do something or has managed to do something. For example, as an English teacher, I've gotten to meet a lot of very nice people. I never liked drinking tea, but recently I've gotten to enjoy it as much as coffee. You know, the boss isn't such a bad guy. I've gotten to know him since we started playing golf together. Finally, let's compare some sentences with have got and have gotten. I've got to go to the dentist means it's necessary to go to the dentist. I've gotten to go to the dentist means I've had the chance to go to the dentist. I've got to leave the office at 4 p.m. means it's necessary to leave the office at 4 p.m. I've gotten to leave the office at 4 p.m. means I've obtained permission to leave the office at 4. Well, I think I've got to stop there. If you want to read the examples in this lesson or get word-for-word transcripts of the Happy English podcast, just visit myhappyenglish.com and check lesson 462. Hey, thanks for studying, and I'll see you next time at Happy English.
This podcast was brought to you by Happy English. Please visit myhappyenglish.com. Show your support for Happy English by leaving us a review. Get English, get happy, Happy English.